Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. We are going to learn UPSC History Main Lesson 23. Topic is Development of Community Life during the time of Indus Valley Civilization. Once again I repeat, Development of Community Life during the time of Indus Valley Civilization. Well, first of all, we have to define and we have to understand the community life of Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization showcased or showed a well-developed community life, alright, evident in its planned cities or famous for its planned cities, social structures and economic activities. Well, let me explain the key aspects of community life of Indus Valley Civilization. There are 7 key points are given in the board. Try to understand. First, on urban planning and infrastructure. That community life is renowned for its well-planned cities with features like grid pattern streets. Grid pattern streets, standardized bricks sizes, advanced drainage systems, especially for urban planning of and infrastructure of Indus Valley Civilization. One is grid pattern streets, second standardized brick sizes, third advanced drainage systems. Second, social structures of community life of IVC. It suggests the existence of different classes, so with merchants potentially forming upper class due to their involvement in trade, right? Their involvement in artisans and farmers, right? They were called the upper class, having the social structure of those people who were merchants. Number 3, economic activities. There's to you make crops like wheat, barley, right, cotton. Those were the agricultural crops for occupation of the community life of the people of Indus Valley Civilization. Number 4, social amusements and recreation. People enjoyed activities like hunting during that time, bullfighting and fishing, indoor games. Those were the activities being performed for the purpose of recreation and amusements. Terracotta toys were also famous. Number 5, arts and crafts. In the Indus Valley Civilization, the people were skilled in crafts including pottery, right, weaving, making ornaments, right. Number 6, religious belief. The discovery of female figuring frame suggests the worship of a mother goddess, right. Number 7, family and social life. Strong family organizations were present and skills were passed down during that time. Well, let me once again explain and give the narration of 7 points one by one for your better understanding and to be kept in the mind of you people. First, urban planning and infrastructure were great during the time of Indus Valley Civilization because of grid pattern streets, standardized brick sizes and advanced drainage system. Drainage system, brick sizes and grid pattern streets of urban planning and infrastructures of the buildings. Social structures that evident upper class involvement of trade, artisans and farmers. Economic activities used to be done by them by making wheat, barley and cotton. Social amusement and recreation were enjoyed by them by hunting, bullfighting, fishing and doing indoor games, including the terracotta toys are also famous during that time. Arts and crafts They were skilled in crafts including pottery, weaving and making ornaments. Religious beliefs as female figuring showed the mother goddess during that time. Family and social life were very strong in terms of organizational structures of the people of Indus Valley civilization, and that were passed down. Well friends, let me talk this topic in Hindi little bit, not in broad length but in nutshell. Development of community life during the time of Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization के समय में सामाजिक उन्नति जो है जिंदगी का कैसे हो रहा था बता रहा था, वो प्रदर्शन कर रहा था वेल डेवलप्ड कम्युनिटी लाइफ, अच्छे तरीके का जो सामाजिक जिंदगी है उसमें प्रकट करके दिखाया था। प्लान सिटीज, नियोजित सिटीज, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, सामाजिक ढांचे और इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज, आर्थिक काम करिया। की एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कम्युनिटी लाइफ ऑफ इंदस वैली सिविलाइजेशन जो है उसमें जो मेन साइट्स है और दिग है और रास्ता है सामाजिक ज़िंदगी का इंदस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में, उसमें अर्बन प्लानिंग और सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, दो अर्बन प्लानिंग में जो है अर्बन में शहरी योजना और संरचना जो था उसमें ग्रिड जाली पैटर्न का स्ट्रीट्स था, रास्ते थे, स्टैंडर्डाइज ब्रिक्स साइजेस था, एक अच्छे मान का ब्रिक ईटा साइज था, एडवांस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अच्छा था। सोशल स्ट्रक्चर में ये अपर क्लास लोग जो है व्यवसाय में इन्वॉल्व था और आर्टिसंस कारीगर थे और किसान भी थे। इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ में इन लोग गम, ज्वार और रुई का खेती करते थे। सोशल एम्यूजमेंट और रिक्रिएशन के लिए जो सामाजिक मनोरंजन और अपना प्रमोद आमोद के लिए जो उन लोग यूज़ करते थे, हंटिंग, राइट, शिकार करना और बुल फाइटिंग करते थे और मछली मारना और इंडोर गेम अंदर का खेल खुद भी करते थे। और उसमें टेराकोटा जो टॉयस था वो बहुत फेमस था। आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स में इन लोग पॉटरी बनाते थे, मिट्टी का बर्तन, वेविंग जैसे कपड़ा वगैरह बनाते थे और ऑर्नामेंट्स भी बनाते थे। रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स, उसमें फीमेल फिगरिंग, जो फीमेल लड़कियों का जो फिगर दिखाते थे वो माँ गॉडेस का यानी कि देवी का, माता देवी का रूप दिखाते थे। फैमिली और सोशल लाइफ जो है बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस था, राइट, और ये डे बाय डे वो चल रहा था, एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन तक चल रहा था। थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स।